Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be providing a follow-up on Hillcrest Energy Technologies. This is a company that we've previously covered on the channel. They've had a few big developments in terms of efficiency and improvements in their products as of late, and that's what we wanted to talk about in today's presentation. Before we get into it, take a second, smash the like button, you guys. Big help to myself and the channel, specifically in getting this content out to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We just crossed 46,000 subscribers. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. And finally, leave a comment in the section below. Let me know if you've heard of Hillcrest Energy Technologies before, if you're currently holding shares, and your outlook for this company next year. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be providing an update on Hillcrest Energy Technologies Ltd. This is one we've covered on the channel previously. They trade on the Canadian Securities Exchange here in Canada under the ticker HEAT or HEAT.CN. They also trade on the OTC in the United States under the ticker HLRTF. Now, as you can see, a strong start to the morning. This is Wednesday, December 11th, up just shy of 3% or about half a cent on the day, currently trading hands at 18 cents Canadian. And this is a really interesting story as we talked about in our last video, specifically in relation to their ZVS inverter and its 99.7% efficiency rating, opening up the potential to save millions of dollars in energy costs each and every year. So obviously there's a big push right now for decarbonization, and Hillcrest Technology directly contributes to the global efforts to reduce these carbon emissions, as we're going to talk about throughout today's presentation. Now, this is the company website here. I'll leave it linked in the video description below, hillcrestenergy.tech. And if we click over to the technology portion of the website, you can see a great explanation of their ZVS technology, which stands for Zero Voltage Switching Technology. It's a unique approach to soft switching when combined with Hillcrest proprietary power electronics hardware and control firmware. So it can increase efficiencies, performance, and reliability in electrical systems, thus saving energy and cost. So practical examples would be electric vehicles and grid-connected energy systems. Now you can see some of the inverter benefits listed on the right, along with the system benefits on the left. So the story behind Hillcrest really aligns with what we're seeing on a macro level, supporting this theme or idea of powering a technologically advanced future. So as you start to think about things like AI, HPC, space colonization, these are going to require a tremendous amount of electricity, connections, and systems to be in place, with Hillcrest Technologies really at the center of those ecosystems. Now, as you can see, the ZVS technology is already being deployed across a multitude of power applications, so EV traction inverters, or electric vehicles. This is a practical example of where this inverter technology is being used. So imagine EVs with longer ranges, faster charging times, all thanks to Hillcrest technology platform, energy efficient homes powered by solar and wind energy systems, or even data centers, which we talk about a lot on the channel, which are traditionally very power hungry operations. So inverters can actually reduce the energy consumption of these data centers and thus improve costs dramatically, really supporting that virtual world. Now, we just mentioned over a 99.7% efficiency rating, so this materially eliminates switching losses and enables higher switching frequencies without increasing semiconductor temperatures, so essentially allowing more to happen with less, and a link to their technical white paper along with some comparative results. Now, the reason I wanted to provide a follow-up on Hillcrest Energy Technologies is really in relation to the press releases or amount of news that has come out in recent weeks, with 4 key articles that we're going to focus on in the remainder of today's presentation. So the first came out on November 7th, entitled Hillcrest Energy Technologies to launch FPGA-based control system. So this new FPGA-based control system, it's specifically designed to optimize the performance of Hillcrest ZVS inverters. There's also benefits related to cost effectiveness and the potential to make EVs more affordable. Or said another way, think of it as upgrading the processing power of your computer, allowing everything in the system to run smoother and faster. So you can see some of the key benefits here, including that enhanced efficiency, control, reliability, and versatility, With the introduction of this FPGA-based control system for the ZVS inverters, Hillcrest expects to continue to lead the way in developing innovative solutions that meet the evolving needs of the power electronics industry. Now, Don Curry, who's the CEO of Hillcrest Energy, went on to say our new FPGA-based control system for ZVS inverters is a testament to our dedication to innovation and excellence in power electronics. The technology not only enhances the efficiency and reliability of the ZVS inverters, but also opens up new possibilities for energy management across a wide range of applications. We're proud to offer a solution that can contribute to more sustainable and efficient energy systems. So really fitting comments, exactly what we talked about in the intro, as Hillcrest is harnessing their technology and the ZVS inverter platform to really pave the way for new industries and support the growth of this future technology. Now, about 5 days later, we got another big press release. Hillcrest ZVS traction inverter prototype targets cost efficiency and compact design for EV applications. So essentially, Hillcrest has now revealed a prototype inverter specifically for electric vehicles that's smaller and more cost-effective than the current industry standards, meaning this breakthrough could significantly reduce the cost of electric vehicles and would allow manufacturers to produce smaller, lighter, and higher performance vehicles. So once again, Don Curry goes on to say the knowledge gained from demonstrations and discussions with potential customers and development partners is invaluable. In many cases, cost savings and design are just as important as performance, a fact Hillcrest has listened to and delivered on with our ZVS innovation. By significantly reducing electromagnetic interference, or EMI, and eliminating switching losses, our inverter offers manufacturers both a cost and design advantage in the EV power systems. So this is a big deal for the electric vehicle space as they're continually looking to cut down on size and cost, obviously becoming more and more competitive as the general public continues to transition over to electric powered vehicles. Now, just a few days later, Hillcrest put out another press release entitled Hillcrest Engages Global Investors and Customers in Key Markets. So this is essentially the announcement of Hillcrest going on tour or world tour, really looking to take their technology, open up new markets. This is a direct example of the traction that they're gaining in the market. And by heading out on this roadshow, you can see Don Curry will be in Sweden as part of this investor roadshow. They're looking to really spread the word around Hillcrest's inverter technology and potential new applications in other markets. So as an investor, this is extremely important. Not only is it important to have the technology, the capabilities, and the platform internally, but you need to be able to tell that story and get that message out to the world. Now, the final article came out just a day later, November 19th, entitled Hillcrest and Ocean Batteries to Broaden Collaboration. So this is another great example of a partnership in the space, with Ocean Batteries, a pioneer in the marine electrification and energy storage space, now in discussions with Hillcrest Energy Technologies to expand their June 2024 joint development agreement, building on their initial focus of this onshore marine energy storage. And in the words of Don Curry, expanding our partnership with Ocean Batteries would allow us to work together to directly address pressing needs for their customers for more flexible, efficient, and powerful energy solutions. We expect Hillcrest ZVS technology, once again, coupled with Ocean's Batteries' expertise in marine applications, to enable the development of groundbreaking products that align with the evolving energy requirements of both the marine and EV sectors. So again, another great practical example of where this technology can be used and the demand from customers. So as you can see, a flurry of news here, ranging from that FPGA-based control system, their traction inverter prototype, their world tour, and of course, these growing and continuing partnerships. Definitely one to keep on your radar, you guys, as these future technologies, again, like AI, space travel, space exploration, continue to evolve at a breakneck speed. The demand for this type of technology is ever growing. And with that being said, I'd be curious to hear your thoughts on Hillcrest Energy Technologies, specifically if you're already holding shares of this company, in the comment section below. If you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button. It really does help get this content out to other people like you who may find value. And finally, you guys, feel free to subscribe to the channel, McNallie Money. We just crossed 46,500 subscribers. We'd love to have you as part of the community. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.